Did you know that tires are so much more than a black rubber donut? Actually, do you ever think about tires? If you drive a car, a motorcycle, or enjoy bike riding, you should. Tires are the sole point of contact between your vehicle and the ground, and their function is twofold. They must provide adherence in all weather conditions and contribute to passenger comfort. Actually, as an amateur cyclist myself, I know firsthand how much impact changing your tires has in the overall ride quality and ride feel. The rubber used in the different components of the tires have very complex formulations and extremely secretive recipes. The level of secrecy in the tire industry is on par with military technology. Tire manufacturers are facing a lot of different challenges in the industry. First of all, innovation. With the arrival of electric vehicles, which are a lot heavier than their thermal counterparts, they need to develop specific tires to withhold this increased weight. Secondly, they have raw material reduction and cost savings. And thirdly, most likely the most challenging one, they have sustainability. How can tire manufacturers tackle these challenges? First, they need to introduce model-based systems engineering into their design thinking. Secondly, they need to break the silos between the different disciplines to master tire modularity from material formulation through design all the way to tire manufacturing. Concretely, how do they implement this? They need to put in place digital continuity between the different disciplines and departments within their companies, fostering increased collaboration between formulation, design, industrialization, and manufacturing engineering. This way, they will digitalize and revolutionize the tire making process.